Ayatollah Khomeini had a slogan, neither east nor west. Khomeini wanted the post-revolution Iran to depend on no one. But today's Tehran is different. It is now ready to dump the non-alignment mantra and collapse into China's embrace. The United States has made this happen. It slapped crippling sanctions on Iran and bullied allies to keep distance from Tehran. India was one of the countries that complied. What did India get in return? This report tries to find the answers.
Last year, when US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo made a visit to India, he had a clear message on Iran. Sitting right next to External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, Pompeo made this declaration.
We also know that Iran is the world's largest state sponsor of terror. And we know the Indian people, how they have suffered from terror around the world.
That statement was a sign of things to come. The Donald Trump administration is on a collision course with Iran. Trump walked out on the nuclear deal, slapped sanctions on Tehran, and swept allies into this confrontation whether they liked it or not. India was one of them. It chose to side with the United States, stopped buying oil from Iran, and put its investment in the Chabahar project into cold storage. India chose to comply with American sanctions. Close ties with America is a priority for the Modi government. Prime Minister Modi has invested personal political capital in this relationship, first with the Howdy Modi event in Houston, an event that was attended by 50,000 people. Trump used the opportunity to attract more Indian Americans to his corner.
And we are proud to have you as Americans.
A few months later, the US President repeated this pitch in Ahmedabad. He received a king's welcome in Prime Minister Modi's home state. Trump was greeted by Indians in a 22-kilometer-long roadshow and thrown a grand reception at the world's largest cricket stadium. What did India get in return? New Delhi's list of complaints with Washington is growing. The biggest pinch that India has felt after siding with the US is on its oil bills. India is the world's third biggest oil consumer. It imports almost 80% of its oil requirements, and Iran was the third largest supplier, mainly because of the easy transaction terms. Reportedly, Iran used to offer India a longer credit period of 60 days and cargo insurance was free. But American sanctions have forced India to buy from other West Asian nations. Other bilateral issues with the US are also hurting India. The US terminated the preferential trade status for India, a move that led to duties on exports of nearly 2,000 Indian products. Trump's tone and tenor hasn't helped the relationship. In April, the US president had warned of retaliation over the curbs on the export of hydroxychloroquine.
I spoke to him Sunday morning, called him, and I said, we'd appreciate your allowing our supply to come out. If he doesn't allow it to come out, that would be okay, but of course there may be retaliation. Why wouldn't there be?
Trump's tough stand has driven Tehran towards Beijing. China and Iran are on the cusp of signing a $400 billion strategic partnership. America gets its way, China gets a new partner. India has lost a strategic ally and an oil supplier. Delhi's policy of strategic autonomy is yet to show in the case of Iran. Bureau Report, WION World is One.